ASUS has recently launched the 2024 model of the ROG Strix G16 in India, packed with state-of-the-art features for high-end gaming enthusiasts. The laptop showcases a 16-inch QHD Plus ROG Nebula display with Dolby Vision HDR, enhancing your visual experience with vivid, lifelike colors and deeper contrasts. Powered by Intel's 14th Gen i9 processor and NVIDIA's RTX 4070 GPU, it offers exceptional performance for the most demanding games. The design includes an esports-quality keyboard with perky RGB lighting and additional RGB lights on the back, adding to its sleek, modern look. An advanced cooling system with liquid metal thermal compound, arc flow fans, and multiple cooling modes keeps the laptop running efficiently, even under heavy use. Key specifications include Windows 11 Pro, up to 32GB DDR5 memory, to terabytes of high-speed SSD storage, and comprehensive I/O ports supporting HDMI 2.1, USB 3.2, and Thunderbolt 4. Whether you're gaming or working, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 provides a powerful, immersive experience.